Today we are learning the chapter first of standard 2, that is singular plural in English grammar. The topic is singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means many. We have already covered this in first standard, where we used to call it as one and many. But as we are going higher, in second standard we are calling one object as a singular and many objects as plural. So we will help our children to remember this, that one means singular, many means plural. We have already learned if the singular word is car, the plural will be cars. We will add s. If the word is toy, we will add s to it. It will become toys, many toys. If it is coin, we will add s, coins. Similarly, I'll provide a list where we have other words where we can change one into many or singular into plural by just adding s to the words. But we have various other words where we have to use es for making the word plural. So in today's video, I'll help you how you will help your word in learning all these words where they can add es. So we have to remember a simple rule that if the word is ending with ch, sh, s, double s, o, x. I repeat, if the words are ending with ch, sh, s, double s, o or x, in that case we will add, if the words are ending with these words, in that case we will add es at the end. We are going to add es. So let's see some of the examples. For example, if the word is bus, it has s at the end, so we will make its plural as bus and then es, buses. If the word is bush, bush, it is having sh, so we will make bushes, bushes. If the word is tomato, tomato, it has o at the end, so we will add es, tomato, tomato, tomatoes, many. If the word is fox, x, we will add es, foxes. If the word is ending with double s, for example glass, we will add es, glass is, glasses. If the word is ending with ch, for example, if the word is church, church, we will make it churches. So what we have seen? We have seen that all the words ending with ch, sh, s, double s, o and x will be added with es to make it as a plural word. In my next video, I'm going to share lots of examples of such type. So please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe so that you can get all the videos on time and you can help your child in learning the topics easily and effectively. Till then, take care. Bye bye.